Banded isometric press hold. Tie up a band to an anchor point and loop yourself around the front of it. You're then going to go into a forward fold. Place your hands down on the floor, roughly shoulder width apart, and push your shoulders out as much as possible. From there, you're going to use the pull of the band to lift your feet off the floor in a very slight straddle. Try your best here to keep your legs as straight as possible, your shoulders as pushed out as possible, your arms as straight as possible, and finally you're going to try to use your hip flexors and your abdominal muscles to compress your legs and get them as close to your body as possible. In order to get this drill correct, you're going to need good hamstring forward fold mobility as well as a decent straddle pancake mobility and compression strength. A good minimum benchmark to hold this position is 10 seconds for 3 sets. That's a minimum benchmark. Ideally, you want to be able to hold this position for about 15 seconds for 3 sets. Of course, you're going to start with a band that allows you to do the progression, and as you go through the progression, you're going to lower the tension of the band. Any questions regarding press handstand strength or anything else movement related, get in touch. The details are at the end of the video.